Good morning, everybody. This is Davey from the New Trader, and this is Marie. Yes, let's see what we do today. Market, I don't know, it's a little bit muted, I should say. Sorry. SPY only 0.09, 0.01% up. So I will count that as a non-moving market right now. So how are you doing, Marie?
I'm doing well, Davey.
Nice.
It's Friday. Davey, it's Friday.
I should have a
And
song
it's
for that.
Friday, I was going to say of a long weekend, but just for one. Right? Because Monday we're closed. Not the trading, but...
Yeah, yeah, for sure. But that's good for me. Trading is not doesn't feel like heavy, I will say. Not that my job feel heavy, but what I'm saying is just like I enjoy trading so a lot, so we should be okay. And I was actually having that question. Like I didn't know if the Thanksgiving was the same day, but then I remember like now that you mentioned that. I remember that my cousin, the one that is American, he has a different
November.
yeah, November, yeah, has a different day for Thanksgiving. So
Correcto.
yeah, so all good here. Like we have a lot of numbers that's supposed to be coming out that day,
Wow.
which is Michigan consumer sentiment. No, Michigan inflation. Yeah, I think consumer sentiment too. Let's see. Let's give you the right data. The market's gonna open in 15 seconds. Watch out. I have an open position already, but this is under control. I am not concerned about this short on Rigetti. The reason why I am not concerned is because it just did exactly what I was expecting it to do. Trade below the A 48.19.
And
Now
it's
it
on.
will retest it probably if it wants to. So yeah, we have Michigan consumers sentiment preliminary. Michigan 5 years inflation expectations preliminary as well. Everything is preliminary. So Michigan current conditions, Michigan inflation expectation, and then we have Mussolini talking at 1 p.m. I don't know how much that can move the market, but yeah, like and the numbers for Michigan numbers, I don't know if they're gonna be coming out, as there is still in place a shutdown in the government. So 10 days today, I think it is. Yeah, 10 days.
Is it 10 days?
Yes, I thought that only the how you call the weekdays that are workable, like from Monday to
Business days.
yeah, business day. Yeah, exactly. That's how you call it, business day. So I thought that they only count business days, but no, they count weekends too because there are part of the government that are 24/7. All right, what is that happening on Rigetti? Watch out there, Marie, if you have the same trade. Like
Correct.
that's concerning a bit. Okay, there we go. We're gonna be out of that. And when you decide you have to go out of that, your hotkey is not working because this thing is just not working. Come on, my guy. Like that's not the way we go. So all right. Let's see. I have no levels. These things might be at all-time highs. So watch out. It can keep pulling back. It's a awkward way that they put that volume. Okay, he have to hit 48.01, 49.01 for it to get me out. And there we go. He's just coming back all the way down. So that's a big move toward the upside. Were you able to survive that?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
I had it
Oh
on
yeah.
The,
Oh
I had
yeah.
it on the top.
Oh yeah.
Well, remember I had 48.50.
All right. Yeah. You have 50 cents better than me.
Exactly.
For
so that's
sure.
really a big one, right?
Oh my gosh.
I already took 4 partials.
Oh Marie. Yeah, like this I see it going to 46 at least. At least.
At least, eh?
Yeah. To 46. I can tell you my levels exactly. So we have INTC. Oh, INTC. INTC is offering a short as well. That's a short that you have to be very, very careful. That INTC, I actually gonna be just looking at the tape. I am not taking that short blindly. INTC. Yeah, no, it's too far. INTC is too far for me to be looking short. The alarm is on, but it's an incorrect price for me to take a short there. But Rigetti, I guess Marie is golden right now.
Yep.
Huh?
Hey, David.
Pretty good trading, huh?
Hey, you saw this trade, right? So
Well, what's the highest volume today? You know.
you identified it very well.
Yeah, INTC we're gonna leave it quiet, but it's not that it's not doable. It's just it's not the one. It's not the thing I want to do. Like, that have no reliability. INTC really surprising a lot of people. They're really breaking through, squeezing through. Man, we were looking at this stock at 19.58 cents, $19.58 when I look at INTC for the bottom, and just like that is 39.55. I told somebody about that those stocks with such a huge legacy, it's almost impossible. Like, you know which is the other one? And there is no financial advice for anybody here. Like, I mean, this is just my opinion and what we can see and what we think is going to happen. But make sure you read our disclaimer and you take trades responsibly. Yeah, but what I'm saying, like, or the one I wanted to mention, Amazon long. Oh, Amazon, my guy, where are you?
So Spice.
I cannot miss
Stop
Amazon.
there.
That thing I have to figure out how I put an alarm, but like the alarm have to be 26.75. Okay, I got Amazon.
Okay.
Amazon long. Oh, at what price we were trading Amazon last week?
I don't remember.
My target was 224, it's 226.95, and it went to 227.88. It went to 228.80. No, 228.21. So we are going north in Amazon, and we are going south in Rigetti. So yeah, coming back to what I was saying, is that stock that I think that have a huge legacy that is gonna surprise many people at some point is AMC. And like I don't
think so, huh?
I think I have never traded AMC. Maybe only on the times I was like experimenting with stocks. Yeah, like the same thing. Like, let's say INTC is at that $2.91. Like, of course, like these shares is not a one-to-one. Like those shares on AMC have been diluted a lot, and like yeah, there is a huge share structure disruption on AMC share size, share structure, and that's something that we have to be aware of. But what I'm saying here, like, look, I have a note actually here that our friend Mark in the channel at some point brought that up to us, and I say to him here, if we put this bigger, you say, like, we are talking about months. These things have been there for months. If you would like to buy AMC, my entry will need to be at 291 USD per share. Not too big sizes, as the stock is looking bearish. Bearish, but can have a potential of another push up to because they beat EBITDA, and they can go to 312. That's a small trade if it's a day trade, but if it's for a swing trade, I think we can look into probably doubling in here at some point. But like, we will have to look at it deeper. It's just like, you see that the stock is really not going lower, so it's hammering. Of course, the market is rallying and the stock is not rallying, so you have to really put it on perspective. Like, is that something that you want to fight with? How is your Rigetti doing? Huh? Nice.
And you?
It's doing fantastic too. I only have Amazon and Rigetti, so I have no other trades right now. Tesla is a long, it's a long that I missed, but I put my order to be out of Tesla on my swing trade account, and the reason for that is because I want to get some BBAI. I was talking with Marie this morning. I have clear eyes on BBAI, and once one Tesla get to my price, I just get out of Tesla. Like, we have done so well on Tesla that it's just we don't have to have bigger expectations than that. It's just like
this here is
sleeping money.
for Rigetti.
Yeah. Rigetti!
Okay.
It's at
let's
46
see.
already? No, it's not at 46.
No. You know when I said 46.30?
Did I say good morning, Bloody? I don't know.
No, we
good
did
morning,
not.
Bloody.
Good
How are
morning,
you
Bloody.
doing? Yeah, so Rigetti, feed me with
There
your...
seems to be a pop. Now it's going back up. We'll see what's going to do at the PCL and the VWAP. But there seems to be that resistance at 46.50.
Well, as I say, and I ask you, but like I think if I was going to ask you and I didn't ask you.
Okay?
Okay, Amazon hit my target, so that target was not even 1 hour. So I have to decide if I want to keep Amazon or not. So yeah, like I want to see if I am able to say things without influencing you too much. But like my comment on Rigetti will throw you out in this matter, like because you have a trade. I don't know if you want me to say it, or if you prefer me to. No, like this is our
You're
trading
crazy.
thing. You know, like what I'm saying. I don't want to influence you too much that you will take a loss. But I have a very radical opinion in my for today day trading Rigetti, and it's that I am not going long in Rigetti unless it hit 43 again. There is a analysis that we did for me to reach to that conclusion, and what is happening right now is that Rigetti don't have enough volume above what it is right now,
Okay.
but it have enough volume. No, it doesn't have enough volume below what it is. And if the volume that is on top, it's like a roof that will fall on it and it will have to go to 43 again. It's not a bad thing. It's just like, just there is no support for it right there. So that's
Okay.
why I say like I am not going long in Rigetti unless it's at 43.
Wow.
It will shake out a lot of people today before it actually move above the 49. And yeah, you look at the tape, probably it will confirm that. So I'm gonna start taking partial on Amazon. It's not like it's just this thing is telling me that I'm on target. So like, and I know it's not a good price. Like it's not a price. I don't want to fight with Amazon. Let's say like I think they have a lot of potential toward the high side, but why would it be going there today when it's actually showing that there is a lot of selling going on at 227.70 something? So.
That sure looks like some consolidation happening there.
For Rigetti?
Hmm.
Hey.
That's what I thought. What's going to happen there?
I actually want to add to Rigetti.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I add to Rigetti. So, and now let's see. My average price right now is 47.58. You remember I say it's almost impossible to break the 48.19 during market hours?
Yeah.
That's you have seen the confirmation of what I'm saying, so that's why you are right on the trade. Feel free to add.
Oh, for sure.
So
I already added 3 times.
okay, your average?
47.20.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
definitely worsened. But just for the how do we say, the hell of it, I got what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours.
No, that when I say like what is your average, it's just to know if you are able to survive for no pullbacks.
Exactly.
But it's not like like I know that, like for example now like my price is, if I have to say anything, my price is quite mediocre, but it's not, because it's like I got it at a price that it was okay, and I just add. It's just like that's the thing with adding. Like you really, well, this is a good price. It's not gonna be a good price for too long.
So there's definitely some participation to the offer right now. They're not as strong or as big as the ones that are at the bid. So 47.20.
What happened when you have a consolidation? Like let's play puzzle here. Probably you don't know this one, or you don't like probably you know the behavior, but you don't know the common saying on it. And the common saying on it, you probably don't know it because you are an unconventional trader. So if you have a stock that is going either direction and is having a consolidation, what do you want to see in the volume for it to keep rallying or tanking the way you go? Like, let's say you have a stock that is clearly going one way or the other, and out of the blue start consolidating. What do you want to see in that? Like, for the volume, what do you want to see? You want to see the volume getting diminished, getting rally up, or staying equal?
No, I would like the volume to go one side or the other.
What you mean by one side or the other?
So right now, if we're looking at the open,
Like high or low?
well, it depends
Because
on what
volume-
position that you are.
No, but that's what well, the result is the same.
Okay,
Like,
before
Yeah, for sure.
I want to see if we're going to be adding here.
A volume for a consolidation
Mm-hmm.
has a similar characteristic for the convening of the trend, either if it's going up or if it's going down. So I took half of Amazon there because I am a target. I know it's not a 1 hour, but yeah. So yeah, talk to me whenever you feel.
Okay. Let me monitor this a bit.
Okay, delta is let's see what is delta. Remember that delta is oh la la. That trade was there and I didn't believe on it. But it's okay, I have what I believe on, and like it's just fantastic, and it's like zero stress. Like, you know, I have this trade from pre-market, and yeah.
546.50 could be
it's
a
late for
reversal, but we'll see.
yeah. Fooled by randomness. It's okay.
What did you say? You've been fooled by randomness?
No, I haven't been fooled by randomness. There is a book that is called Fooled by Randomness. That is a pretty nice book. That is not about trading, but it will help you to think in probabilities. So everybody talk about it, and I just like you say random, and you just bring that to my head. I think. Did you say random? No.
You probably heard random somewhere.
Ay, papa. Okay, I'm gonna shut up for a little bit. I didn't sleep as well yesterday. I sleep good, but not as good. So I'm not really reflecting everything I'm saying.
So we should have fun, people.
For sure. Alright, let's finish the week the way it's supposed to be. Dun, 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 dun. I'm gonna say why I say fooled by randomness. So the reason why I say fooled by randomness is because the price on like there is randomness in the price, like
Okay.
you see Rigetti, but the rate like is Rigetti. So the randomness that I'm talking about is when the price hit the important level in any stock. Like let's say, like you will see a lot of these at around the $00, like or the $0.50, and it's that you will see if there is any relevance in that price. Once it hit it, the stock can go up or down, and for you to be really hard to calculate how up or down it's gonna go. So there is a certain amount of randomness in there, but at the end, the guy that have the pan by the handle in there, the pan by the handle in the stock is already determined how the stock is gonna finish the day. So the only way that this equation will change is if somebody with similar buying power show up and go against that. But normally, if you don't have anybody defending that, which is what we are doing here with Rigetti, it will show you the intentionality of going higher, but it's just random thing happening there, and like manipulation. Basically, you could say manipulation at some point. So, but yeah, it's not a bad thing. It's just part of the business. Hey, if you are in an option, and nobody's bidding the prices, they will drop it. They will drop it until you start bidding, because something at some point it will have value for you.
Yep. At one point,
Yeah.
somebody's going to react to it.
So then, if you don't react, they will keep dropping. The same, like, oh, you are so interested, we're gonna raise it, and let's see how much you can pay for it. So, and that's the game that is going on right there, right now, in BBAI. No, in Rigetti.
And you're getting.
BBAI was a lot higher when I look at it this morning. Yeah, I have a lot of trouble. Like I am mispronouncing and missaying things. So we're gonna leave it to Marie today for her to say whatever she wants to say.
Oh, no.
Take care of the channel, Marie. Do your thing. You are good at that. We know that.
Yeah.
So,
Come on, lose it there. So we've got SPY that went almost to 674 there.
that's exactly why I just went to look at the SPY before you say it. You see, like that's a beautiful thing about the thing I program.
Okay.
You see how bullish the market is right now? It wouldn't take a trade on it because it's messed up at some point. It will get there, but it needs time. Right now, SPY have a lot of contradictions in the way it's going higher. And until those contradictions doesn't get solved, that thing won't take a trade. And look what happened. Look at the RSI screaming right there, and then it's like flush it. Flush it, flush it, flush it, flush it, flush it. So let's do our job and let's look at that tape on Rigetti. Why do we want to do that? Well, because I could be wrong, you know. I'm 47.80.
SPY pulled back to the VWAP 672.90.
So I'm gonna add more to
Big dip.
Amazon got me out because mistake. Like I actually wanna buy more. No. So let's see.
acceleration on
Amazon
the
is
tape.
gonna get there very soon.
Big acceleration on the tape for GTI.
Tell me yes. Yes, there we go. I just did it. I pressed it at the right time. Amazon shouldn't go any lower than that for now.
No?
But the market is not helping, you know. SPY, Tesla. Look at the flush on Tesla. Oh my God.
That's insane!
Yeah, but the SPY did the same too, so it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Okay, so the tape, if you look at the tape on our GTI, for me, it's flipping.
Yeah, when I look at it, it was looking flipping. That's why I say I have to do my work, and that's my job. But like what I see, what do you notice about the sizes? Some of the sizes that are relevant are $1 below your initial entry. Do you see that?
Yeah, but in my case, because I've added in token, and, yeah.
No, but like it's basically if you put it toward the initial idea, like there we go, like that's 47.50. Yeah. Like what I'm saying is, what was like that's a stair stepping down. It's called stair stepping down.
Okay.
And like you saw a big order or a decent order, let's say you saw it, and that's why you went in at that price. You went short at 48.50, right? 51.
48. Yeah.
So now the even a little bit bigger order is at 47.50. It went there, it snapped that, and then you have double of that at 48. So though these orders are big, you have to put in perspective that they being big, they are below what was initially attractive.
Okay.
It's like If you were selling before at 48.50, why now you are selling and you are selling even more at 48? Well, because
Let me see.
the cat is trapped.
The cat is trapped. I like that. The cat is trapped.
For how much we pierce it? For 47 for 8 cents. That doesn't mean much yet. So, but the quality of the bounce, I would say, is good enough. I say I'm not going long in this thing unless it's at 43. Inside 43. Could be 44. Nothing wrong with the name. It's performing. It's performing
for
amazing.
Sure.
Like I have to, because I say those things like nothing wrong with the name for myself, because maybe in the past I had the picture of, like if I talk about the name, like if the price is doing something very choppy, I probably will see the stock as this is a choppy stock, but it's not.
It's not, right? It behaves very well.
Come on, Amazon. You can do better. I don't want to have like the yes. If you see there, like right now, Amazon say no, like 3 times. So when I had like I got out at break even because the price was not the best, and I took a partial, and automatically when I take a partial, it put the stop loss at break even. But what I say, like I didn't went fast enough to cancel it because I want to cancel it. But then I say, okay, I want to go back. It was so close to the price here that I say I just want to wait for this thing to say yes. So order ready, my finger is on the button, and I say,
wow.
Once it say yes, I gonna just push. So it say yes, I push, and it's instant in the money. So, but
I love that.
But as I say, like today there were levels that need adjustment. There are like, so it is a daily job.
It is, right?
Unfortunately, it is a daily job.
That's
So
what I was thinking.
it's not something that we can say, oh, I did my job Monday, it's gonna stay there. No.
Yeah, it's gonna stay there for the rest
Especially
of the week.
because a very interesting behavior I have observed. Like for example, you put your levels, and if yesterday, let's say, violent the level, you will see that there is a build-up in volume in the direction that is violent, and then your level is good still, but it's good slightly below. Like
Okay.
you just put sometimes like a 10 cents below. That give you confirmation it's even a better trade next day. But yeah.
Oh, Wolf seems interesting at 15.50.
Wolf. Okay, Wolf. Wolf. Let's see, Wolf. Is Wolf? Ah, it's with you.
Yeah.
Wolf. It's not like a wolf. Oh my.
RBLK Rocket Lab really sounds interesting at 73.
Like, did you
50.
if we repeat what you say, I don't know why it happened, but what you say the Roblox. Like,
No, I just said Rocket Lab.
You say, yeah, but you say Rocket Lab, but you say RBLK. You say RBLK.
RKLB.
Yes, RKLB. And like that's why I say like
Yeah, I do that a lot. Eh?
But
I think I'm dyslexic.
But what I'm saying is not you. I think it's the name because it happened to me too.
Did it?
Like, what is the ticket I always confuse this thing with Roblox, which is RBLX.
Okay, yeah. RBLX. RBLK. Oh my God. RBLK again. RKLB.
No.
Oh my goodness.
RK.
It's Friday.
I have Rigetti here. Let's see. Do I have anything in Rigetti that? Yeah. To illustrate, Marie, what I am telling you about Rigetti, this is important for you to see because, like, I keep talking about it and I don't express clearly. Like, the setup is very bullish. We agree on that.
Mm-hmm.
But look at the volume, like that was holding before yesterday. So this volume here is what I say. That's what you and I are shorting. So this volume is better than that by a lot. But what happened is not that good. Like it's not that. If you bring the whole spectrum, it's really not expanding.
It's local.
Yeah. So what I'm saying, like this is so like this is so weak here that we can definitely re-enter in here, but we don't have to re-enter in here for me to be looking for. Like if you see 43 is this one. 43 is the peak of here, the bottom.
Okay.
So that volume have a high chance of being tested before, just because it's a heavy top.
Okay. Why the hell aren't you not able to fill me up?
Is in SSR? No.
No.
Mary, why do you have a something on top of there?
On where?
Like you see there? Oh, that's one of your Mantage. Okay.
It's probably the bottom of. Oh, you mean this little thing, right?
Yeah, on top. Yeah,
there.
it's the bottom of that. Yeah. Later on, we can work on that and remove some of the. Rigetti going higher. So you were right about the tape flipping, but let's see. I am able to survive.
I got it. I said, the heck with that.
I'm able to survive. I'm gonna put my stop loss. Yeah, like if you break 48, if you break 48.22, I'm gonna be out. Why? Because then I am wrong for real. My level is at 48.19 and it's still valid. So if you trade above 48.19, I am wrong. Roblox looks like a short if I just look at the chart. But especially look at how the volume is ramping up while it's selling off. Hey, you didn't reply my question, but it's okay. It's we have time. I know you are busy. You stick me once, your fault. Stick me twice is my fault.
What?
Rigetti. No, Rigetti. You remember what happened Rigetti to me that happened to Neil at the same time?
Whack.
Yeah, today I say no, this is not happening to me, baby. If you really want to get me, you're gonna have to prove it. Baby, baby, baby. Ooh. Yeah, like when a stock is moving in up or down, it really doesn't matter. And it starts consolidating what the volume is supposed to be. For it to keep rallying or tanking in the direction you were looking at.
Well, okay. So
if you have a short.
So if I have a short, the buyers have to run out. So the volume of the buyers need to be running out.
But the volume, like you don't have to specify buyer or seller. The volume, either buyers or sellers, because at the other side there is always somebody. Even if that other somebody is the market maker, there is always somebody at the other side. So in this, it's indifferent if it's like coming out of the pocket of the market maker or not. So it's just the size of the candle, like let's say. If you make them indifferent from seller to buyer, would you like to see them going up or going down or staying the same, or like what the volume is supposed to be in a consolidation?
Down.
Exactly.
You're gonna see it go.
Like in the consolidation, you want to see it considerably smaller, like lower volume.
See, you have to like you see that the rally is there, and then you're gonna go, whoop, and it's gonna be very very small at the consolidation.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
you don't seem sure.
Just like what you're saying sounds like opening volume, but it doesn't have to be opening volume.
No, I said if there's a rally,
Mm-hmm.
you'll see the rally, but then when it's gonna start to when it's gonna consolidate, it's going to do like this, and that consolidation is going to be there.
Rigetti going all the way back up, so I seem to be wrong. And yeah, I am going to be a step out on that one. Oh my gosh. The only problem is I will be shooting it again. Is that for sure I will be retaking that short if we get me out?
Okay.
Yeah, it's just that the stop loss is there because I have to be responsible.
Okay.
But yeah, it's a short that I just gonna see it popping up, getting me out, and I will be looking for my next entry. That's a for sure. Nvidia making a nice push right now. Rigetti have been using too much of our attention today, even Marie's attentions, right?
Well, yeah. Well, I'm not with Rigetti.
Yeah, I know.
But you're right at the beginning because, and to Davey's point, when you take a pre-market trade, you're really really focused because all your like the stop loss and all those pre-orders may not be working, so you're there with the finger on the button.
Watch out for your trade, Marie.
Yeah, me too. I just saw.
Very risky trade.
Mm-hmm.
That thing is 8% up.
Which one?
The one you're trading.
8.7, yeah.
Rocket Lab.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. Chicken Rom.
Why do you keep hitting it? And oh.
Though Rigetti have all my attention, I have to say it's a quite boring or bore activity going on right there because like it is not punching through, but it's it seems to be building momentum and like the buyers really stepping in the last candle. But what happens when you step in and you find the breaks at a technical price? That's not good for you, my guy. That's like yeah. I probably just don't want to focus too much in this one. Delta Airlines. If ever, probably we're gonna catch it at the other in the other way. Let's see what is Delta doing. Rigetti is on its own there. It's my main montage, so I shouldn't take any unexpected loss on that one. Delta. Delta is still attractive probably for the long, but yeah, Rigetti is not letting it go, so it's gonna get me out now. We are out of Rigetti. And yeah, let's see where we want to get that bad boy back. Normally, Marie's price should be good. So yeah, I'm gonna get it at Marie's price, Rigetti. I just don't believe on the long.
You know?
No, I don't. So like it's ridiculous. It have like what is it doing with your level? Yeah, this has not been a clean push. That keep up Demon Hunter thing, Hunter Demons.
The what?
The movie that we watch with the girls, like it's a keep up Demon Hunter. I think it's called the name. I actually gonna look. It's it has some music that is very addictive. Like the girls, even bloody come keep up Demon Hunters. Yeah, it's keep up Demon Hunters. It has out of 5, it has a 4.7 rating, and that's not why. It's just the music stuck on my head, and like the girls wake up with that song today, and it's like okay, and everybody very excited about it.
Demon Hunters.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's a new movie from Netflix. It's a kids movie, or no kids, but like yeah, young guys, young. Yeah, it's a animated movie. So keep up Demon Hunters. It's not here, like it's this movie. So I cannot reproduce the audio because it's copyrights.
And it's a good movie?
It was very good. I bloody was surprised I didn't fall asleep.
Yeah.
the girl is a mix between demon hunters and a demon, but it's a secret. They don't know it,
Oh, really?
and she feels shame because she have been hiding that. And because of the hiding of that, she lost her voice at some point. So they sing and like they are artists and like that's the whole thematic of it.
They sing?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, the music,
A music.
singing. It's a band, girl band,
Oh.
and then they get a boy band that will make them in trouble, and put them in trouble. Once, if Amazon move, or should I just accept Amazon like what it is? Love me the way I am. Probably I should be doing that with Amazon because I was right before. And you're not, it's not pulling back too much. So like, I could probably take a decision of if it go down more, I will let it get me out at the 1 hour lost.
Okay.
But I won't take the trade anymore. I can decide that, or I can just say the probabilities in this trade have reduced. Let's cut off the loss right there and be okay with it. I'm pretty sure they pass those on through those algorithms that will say this is viral.
Yes.
Because this is like, as
I have no doubt, right?
it's
Because
so
they
addictive.
get
It's like,
ringworm. You get like literally an earworm, right? And that just
yeah.
I get that with Latin music a lot.
I knew you were going to say that.
You know, eh? Like literally in the middle of the night, I wake up and the song is right there.
You hit the double bit. Boom, boom, boom. So as I say, Rigetti, like, what was the best price? Marie's price. Like, it's stepped me out, and as I say, I was okay with that, and I am okay with that, even if it happen again. But Rigetti should go down a little bit more. Like
Let's go!
the equation there is quite simple in Rigetti, and
Yeah.
it's like even when it went above,
Mhm.
the struggle that he had in there was enough to go back to the previous level, below the previous level.
Okay.
So basically that means until you see Rigetti trading quietly at above 48.19, I have no reason to take a long unless it's closer to 44, 43.
Okay.
So and like yeah, it's hard to do because it required it's hard to do because it's boring, because it's quiet, and like because it required you to see, like I didn't took any partial before. Like if you see my Rigetti here, like I even at and I took a loss when that was avoidable. RGTI. Why did I read RGTI? There we go. Yeah, so I took a loss because I had prematurely, and yeah, like why not to retake the trade when we confirm that it's not looking that good for the other direction, of course.
Mm-hmm. Oh, come on. I want you to pull back to the 200. I'll be served. That's not too hard.
Amazon not holding but not hitting the level yet. Next target for my Amazon. Okay, Amazon. That's good to know, my guy. Amazon is a short. What I have to be out of the trade. So we're gonna be out of Amazon with half of the loss only. Probably. Let's see. If it doesn't accelerate now that I know that it's a short.
So what do you have right now?
I have
Amazon?
Rigetti short and
Yeah.
Amazon long, but Amazon I want to be out of Amazon. And I wanted to go Delta long, but I probably will miss that flight.
Ah, look at you. He's doing puns.
Where the heck is Dumbo?
He didn't leave. That's a for sure.
We haven't felt him today.
Oh, he heard you. He's coming to you.
What's up, buddy? Yeah, he go to you always.
Hey, he doesn't see me, right? So he takes advantage while I'm here. But it's always you. Huh? It's always Papa. Hmm? We know. We know. I'm part-time. Tiempo parcial.
Pasado.
Pasado?
Pasado.
Pasado. Partial?
Ah, tiempo parcial.
That's what I said. Parcial? Then you said pasado.
Yeah, because 2 days ago you were talking about pastime,
Ah, no. Okay,
and
no. That I know.
I thought you meant
Yeah,
the same thing.
Tiempo pasado, but partial. I'm here part-time for him. Hmm? So he knows that. Wow.
Boo.
Bada penny.
Is INTC still going higher? Nope. 370.
Brr. Are you cold? Sí, un poco, eh.
It's a little bit cold. I'll be back. I'm just gonna put the heat a little bit higher.
Yo también.
Me moriría si no estás. Espera un poco. Un poquito más. Sentado en el bar. Yo tímidamente. Y así. Cupido flechándome. So Amazon, I really don't know what to do with Amazon right now. As I say, if I make peace with the like, it's okay. It's gonna be 1 hour loss. I can hold it and give it the benefit of the doubt, but I probably don't feel like I feel that's a little bit inefficient. Though if I am right, it could be a very good trade because
What's your target?
like that's why I say like that's I don't have a target on it.
Okay.
Like my target was what I took partial, which was if I have to reply to you very precise, my target is 227.45, and my price is 226.75. So that wouldn't print even 1 hour, and then I will be like looking short if I am following my plan. But assuming that I could be wrong, we can take a look again at it and see what we think it's gonna do. Because there is the possibility of it going higher, like by a lot. It's just because I have a position that is short and a position that is long, and when I see that SPY is moving, the PNL is correlated, opposite correlated. So what I mean, whatever I make in Amazon, I am losing it on Rigetti.
Because they're both correlated?
Exactly. So when one is going higher, but like right now, that have been splitting a bit because Rigetti really took a snap at some point there. But that's kind of what I mean. Like by it's a trade. If I blindly say it's okay, I accept the loss and let it hit it there. But if not, I can just avoid the loss, and it's another that I will keep. So I don't know if that makes any sense to you.
Absolutely, it does. So which one would you get out of?
It will be Amazon because right now in Rigetti I have been correct. In Amazon as well, it's just that it hit my target already. So you remember that thing that when a trade is done. You shouldn't be, yeah. Yeah, Amazon, lower, very low chance of going lower. So you know what? Because Amazon have a very low chance of going lower, which that going lower will still get me out probably, like because that's 226.21. So my stop loss in Amazon. Why I don't have a stop loss in Amazon? Stop loss in Amazon is still that it's 225.75. Yeah. So yeah, the question it suggests that I will be able to survive the pullback if ever you get there, and that should be the low of the day. Like the low of the day on Amazon supposed to be, if I am correct,
Okay.
at 226.21. Let's put that line in there. 226.21. I'm gonna put the line in
What the
there.
heck are you?
Yeah,
What
it's
kind of volume does it have?
yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, that.
So, in my consideration,
Oh.
Amazon shouldn't go below that price anymore. And that's why you look at Rigetti.
226.
Just look at the push that Rigetti did right there.
So you're what, Amazon? Sorry.
Long. At what price? At 226.75.
Oh, that's not pretty good price.
So roughly my real risk should be something like 50 cents in there, though I am giving it more room because I want to survive the pullback. Why will the pullback? Because SPY is doing it too. Like SPY is not that bullish right now. Now it's pushing up a bit, but not that much. So that's very clear. I'm gonna be okay with that. If Amazon get me out, it's okay. That's gonna be the only trade on it. The last trade on it actually. Why? Because then I don't have a clue what he wants to do if he get me out. Rigetti, my boy, what are you doing? Trying to go higher
I'm
again.
gonna put my partial here, and I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Okay,
Need a break.
so we're gonna be back in a bit. All right, we are back.
You're funny.
I'm funny.
You're funny.
We are all funny.
You're a little funny dude.
Do ding 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 ding. Do it's not do. They say you. But
I think you.
why me? Wait me? Why me? Whoa.
Is that what they say? No.
I think it's something like that. But it's a you. Yeah, I sent it to like Barry asked me to look for it long ago because she was looking for that song. It's cool because today you can say to Google like this song that sounds like that, and it will look for it.
Yeah, Elaine has an app that she just
Yeah, that's
listens.
just Shazam.
Shazam.
Yeah,
Say it again.
Shazam.
Shazam.
Yeah.
Shazam.
Me and my Spanish things, you know.
Sí, eh?
Shazam. Shazam, yeah, it's with them.
Shazam.
Shazam. Shazam. It's funny, like I didn't use my break to stretch my leg, and now I would like to do that, but it's okay. We're gonna stay here a little bit. Let's pay more attention to those traits. And hey, Marie for sure have a couple bad jokes today. What's up, Marie?
You know how I am with jokes, eh? I
Uh,
remember none.
Yeah, I guess that was what you were going to say. That
It's
you don't remember them, but
it's really bad. Like I'll laugh them until I literally fall on the floor that I've got cramps everywhere, and I guess it's the laughing that makes me like I don't know. It's really funny, but yeah, I'm not able to. Because you know when you've got some cute ones from kids, like Jonathan has a lot of those. What do you call something?
yeah.
And you're just laughing your head off because you say, "Oh my God, that came from that little guy." Not little anymore though.
Yeah,
I got
huge.
2 grandkids, and the eldest one that's at 14 is now close to 5'10", and you're like, oh, they're growing up so fast.
Oh, I got it.
You got what, Ajay? So we've got Spy now that is pretty much. It's really not doing. It's not a flag. It's kind of little caught there. Okay, so right now we're consolidating. My Rocket Lab is consolidating. We've got BBAI that's got top volume and just went kaboom. Did you see BBAI?
I told you what I dreamed yesterday. It's like
Funny.
it's so funny. It's
It's so funny that it kaboom.
like maybe it didn't went so high, right?
No, it didn't go to what you were talking
No, I know. Like yeah, no, I but like still like it didn't went to $8, right?
Yep.
It went to $8.
It's almost 9.
Oh my gosh.
I told you. It went kaboom. Why did you not understand of kaboom?
Well, it wasn't that high, you know. It's like
Hey, it's a kaboom. It went from literally almost 750 to 880. $1 on a BBAI. And right now it's got enough juice to go to 9.
Do you know if there is news coming out right now?
950. No, not. Oh my God.
Okay.
What you gonna do?
What you gonna do when I come for you? Rigetti, I don't have a choice than to get the stop out. So I will be very responsible. So I put my stop loss, and let's see if he wants to get me out or not. But I have no choice in there. I really want to fight for the long, and
Did you receive some news?
no, I didn't look at the thing. That might be why. It's like we are very close to the. I know if the number came out, they are out already. Like if they were not because it was close, then it's another story. But yeah, the numbers are out.
And?
Consumer sentiment is higher than what was previously. No, it's lower than previously, but oh yeah, the consensus was super high compared to what it is. Actually, yeah. So it was the consensus was 54.2. The previous was 55.1, and the actual 55.0. So yeah, it's still it's higher. It is higher.
It is higher.
So and the rest of the thing, the 5 years inflation is in line. The consumer expectations is a little bit lower by 0.5%.
Okay.
And the current inflation is higher by like
Oh, how much is that?
but not by a lot, 0.06% higher.
Oh, wow. That's very low, right?
Yeah, like like the actual number is 61. The previous was 60.4, and the consensus was 60. So they were
Okay.
expecting it lower. It came a bit higher by a full percent. So, yeah. And the inflation expectation is at 4.6 instead of 4.7. That's a good thing. You see what I say? Like I say, I was going to be responsible with BBI. I put my stop loss exactly where it's supposed to be, which is 49.
And it didn't get you?
It didn't get me, like, but I am not convinced that the trade is good now because what it's doing what is fighting with the 48.19 one more time, and like, or the buyers are really under control right now, or they don't know what they are doing.
Okay.
Normally, if you have that much money and you are that experienced in the market, I would say you know what you're doing, and it's me who is wrong, you know. But yeah, it's holding so good there now. Of course, it is holding under a stress situation,
Okay.
which, funny enough, for the market is not the. I don't see that. My perception of that is not a positive thing. Why it's not a positive
Yeah,
thing
I
is
was
because
gonna tell
you're
us
reacting out of freak out, like out of instead of a premeditated with longevity.
longevity of the trade.
Yeah.
We both had trouble talking today.
What was that?
We both had difficulty talking today. That's not good.
Yeah, I. Me moriría si no estás. Dun, dun.
Yeah, when we're looking at the
Look at Rigetti at 49.00.
oh. Yeah, so 49. Mine at 49.
My stop loss is at 49.00.
Because 49 is probably the biggest position, so.
It is. It has 1,000. The Hebrew.
Do the 300.
Nah.
1,325.
Yeah, now he reduced it a lot.
Yeah, 1,325.
Okay, so I had a trade for INTC because of the alert.
Mm-hmm.
Now we have to wait for it to go through the 38.66, which it went already, but it's just like, what is it going to do there? I have a long time without trading any Chinese ADR or any Chinese stock, like in general, which is weird, but
Why do you say that's weird?
well,
Because that's something that you like doing.
well, there is a reason for that. It's because they run out of volume after launch, but that at some point that could be just an excuse. So let's work a little bit. Like I have been too lazy today. So by work a little bit, I say I have things that I need to check. Oh my gosh. I have too long, too shorts. And
Holy.
yeah, that's not right. I have to get rid of some of this. And I like, if I have to get rid of it, it's probably gonna be the Amazon. Like now that it's greenish, it's not doing much, but it's just green. And if there is a loan that I want to hold, I guess that loan is going to be Delta Airlines. But the same thing, I have no much reason to hold it because the volume is so low in Delta right now that why would you like to do that? Ah, la 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 la.
La, 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 la.
What is a accurate? Let's use this translator. Me moriría si no estás. What? Great. Options, trade, simulator. Gorswing is not there anymore, if I'm not mistaken.
You what?
Yeah, it's suggesting me I can use Thinkorswim, but Thinkorswim was acquired by Schwab's, and they don't have the Canada anymore, unless you have a premium account with them. I have Webull, so Webull offer live price action. Please only delay the simulator. Oh my god. Sorry about that. Okay. Rigetti got me out. I'm gonna leave it quiet. How is it looking like actually?
I don't know why they're so hard to hold. Holy Davy.
What happened?
Are you getting a virus?
Probably. I took a pill for that oath. Just in case I'm getting sick. So let's see what this bad boy say. Life quotes.
So now the numbers are coming out. Oh!
You might be delaying there because I got the number.
I know. So she said she's talking right now about the consumer sentiment in the Michigan. That is exactly like you said, the 40 expectation 47, but came in at 46. That's why that I was saying, well, where are the numbers? But yeah, you were way ahead.
Well, I still say it very late.
Hmm?
Still say it very late. What is the mistake in there? Not the mistake in there is the lack of proactivity. So it's a puzzle that
What's a puzzle?
has only one solution. Yeah, it's my bad. Yeah, that's what I gotta do with that one. If Rigetti get me out, it's not my choice. Like it's gonna be it's a discipline thing that I have to try to do more and more.
Okay.
If Rigetti get me out one more time, I won't trade Rigetti for the rest of the day. Why? Because I have been getting poor prices because I'm doing myself in there, and that
What you're doing yourself?
yeah, I am on patient to get the good price.
Mm.
And like I missed the best price when I knew what was the best price. Like there are two best prices, so I give it a shot to one, never took partial, and then I jump on it and I jump on it again, and now it can get me out before it manifests itself. But it's a double-edged sword because it print the price already. So if the price print there was just a shakeout, it won't print again. But if it print again, it's a trade that needs elasticity. So if it's a trade that needs elasticity, I won't be able to go in because the price I will be coming out is the price I am trying
To get.
to actually get. So that's why I say if you stop me out one more time, just because I already have it, I will be out and I won't touch Rigetti for the rest of the day. Like why? It will be a good trade, but it won't be a good trade if I keep doing what I am doing. I have already like all my losses are in Rigetti, only Rigetti actually, but yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So it's avoidable. It's just lack of discipline. So Amazon, I made peace with the loss. I say Amazon gonna do whatever it wants to do, and now I'm happy that I hold it, but like it's still not manifesting itself. So funny.
Spy is
And
isn't that isn't it in very close to being in the range, or is it in the range for Spy? Just above the range for Spy?
Spy. I'll be there. I don't have it in any of my charts. It's right in the center.
It's right in the center of the range?
Yes, it is. I have been trading more below than above.
Okay.
Yeah. I was looking at AMD. AMD could be a good loan there, but I'm not taking it just because I have too many trades open. So, just in case you are interested to look at, the alarm is on and it say could be a good trade.
For AMD?
Yeah. Let's market at the price it is, or the price I would like to get. If I ever liquidate any of the other, the one I like is 226.
Okay.
That should work, but we're gonna wait. You have been having a good trading day, huh? You in general are doing good today.
I believe so.
I believe so. No, we know so. That's good. That's good. At some point, it's as I always ask, when you know better, can you do worse? The answer to that is a yes. But the reality is that most of the time you will do better.
Let's go. Woo! Okay.
I can see that most of your trade have been short.
You are correct. Let's go. Ho, ho. Me gusta, me gusta.
Amazon got me out, as I say. That was the one that I made peace with it. Like, yeah. Now,
Oh my God, like Spy is just going. What happened there? What happened there? Okay, there must have been. Okay, where's True Social? Something's happened. No.
it's very annoying, that thing. You know what happened?
What?
I got a 0.01% of the shares I want in Rigetti. Yeah, it's okay. It's like I took the trade. No. So the trade I was talking about is like,
Davey, what's happening to Spy?
mama. It's okay. Enjoy the ride. You have the right direction.
Oh, see, I just took like 3 partials. Right now I've got 10 R's. What?
You might get the news in the year because that's a drastic drop.
Okay, there was a Truth Social. Trump saying that China is being very, very hostile.
Well, so you can repeat that if you want.
Spy just lost $7 in 4 candles, 1 minute candles. Incroyable. Incredible. So what is happening right now? It's apparently China. Now I'm hearing more of the story. So China is sending
Yeah.
letters.
Okay, yeah.
Letters to other country.
Oh, but they were doing that since the tariff.
Okay.
Like it's not like I don't understand why that's like I haven't heard what you're saying and I'm gonna tell you.
Well,
what the
that
letter,
it is.
the letter was saying now
So
if
the
you go
letters-
with the state that we are not doing business with doing this thing or that thing. Like they want the people just to buy from them now instead of like it's with the tariff. Like don't participate with the state, participate with us. And there is it's okay. Just let me know what you are hearing. Probably it's not the same, and I am just front running it. But yeah, when the tariff, China was already sending letters to other countries and say, if you participate with the state, we're gonna get rid of this and get rid of that, blah blah blah.
Really?
Yeah. And now it's a news again.
Yeah.
That's Mayor Kaboom there, you know?
Like, what happened there?
Like, we have to be aware of not flipping. Like, I mean, I am not flipping here, and it probably gonna try to shake us out, though we have a okay price.
Mm-hmm.
But the reason why I'm not flipping is because that sell-off is it hurts a lot of the participant. So there are people that, as simple as it sounds, they won't be jumping again. There are participants that just won't jump again on that one. So
And that makes a lot of sense.
I guess that makes my Tesla look like crap.
Oh.
Yeah, because Tesla depend a lot on China. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
How much did it lose? Oh!
Yeah, it tanked roughly $12. That's why it's good to have your stop loss. You know, like if you see I got stop out on anything I was long, it just didn't work. And how can you predict that? That
Right there at 11?
now we are on mute, so he grab the microphone whenever he wants and say whatever he wants. Equity is trying to surge, but the SPY staying behind. Tesla staying behind. To me, it's just a hold your trade, my guy. Hold your trades. Like if you look at the reaction for a SPY, who is buying there? Nobody, right?
Well, there's a big candle. We definitely have a pop on the RSI. What you gonna do at the 200? I'm talking about RKLB. Pull back so I can add. Okay, so now Trump is saying that he's going to be really adding some massive tariffs on China.
Whoa. So, lady, ¿qué lo que? What's up? What's going on? We can talk about anything. We don't have to talk about China or.
We can talk about anything.
Whee!
So, how busy is your Thanksgiving weekend?
Alright, let's keep talking about China. No, it's good. It's not that bad. It's busy, but I think a lot of recreational activities there, so we should be good, I say. But yes, it's kind of booked up.
It is, eh?
Yeah, so more than that, Now it's getting colder, so we are getting things ready from outside because, like yesterday, I arrived from.
That's right.
Bloody was waiting there. Hey, can you get the plant inside? The big plant.
It's huge.
Yeah. So.
And what about the garden?
Yeah, that's what I mean. Like I was watering good. Like we're like now probably cut the grass for last time, and I don't know if it's gonna be last time, but to cut the grass, and
You've got a late tree too, eh? That I've seen in front. It's not turning red yet.
yes, yes, you are learning the trucos of Kosovo.
¿De qué?
Yeah, there is a reason why your trees are the way they are.
And why?
It's the watering that your Joe does. And of course, like maybe he have so many years doing that they are very healthy. But that's why I like my tree. I feed it very well. Like I don't know if it's only due to that, but yeah, that definitely help it
Okay.
to put to keep it fit. It's funny because today when Maria and I came downstairs, like we are listening to Bloomberg, and just when we are sitting down here, this guy show up. I think it was an analysis from BlackRock, or I don't remember, but he's talking about the gamma expansion and all those things. What do you think that happened? Like he was talking about this compression of the volatility at those tops, and how it looks when they go one way or the other, and or what to expect probably, and like you just need Trump to grab the microphone and say something like that, and then you see, like, yeah, it's a big chain reaction. Like right now, why I'm holding those shorts. I probably like I will be still responsible with them if they don't work. I'm gonna be out. But I think that this buying shares right now that is going on right there is a really a product of the reaction. Like I mean, it's like I will be expecting more downside, even if it's like not able to go down in one shot. You have to breathe and then keep going down. Breathe and then keep going down. But it's not going down more right now. So come on, Rigetti. And again, like Marie was saying, like, oh, it's a big sell-off. SPY went down 7%. You know how much SPY is down from previous close? 0.6%, not even 1%.
From the previous schools, $5. Yep. Makes sense.
So
Because 670 would be 1%, right?
exactly. Okay, now. I think probably the more automation are out there for the market, is the more we're gonna have those things. Because let's say probably if you are like also let's say like we are here, if I was wanting to go long at something and I see a SPY going like that, I will go and cancel the order, let's say. But if you are not looking at it, the order will stay there, and then you will figure out, oh, SPY sell off at 1% today, and your software just did what it was supposed to be doing, and like
AMD has the most beautiful bear flag known to humanity.
Did it bounce the 26? The 226? Oh my gosh. I'm glad I never took it.
That would be sweet.
What are you trading, Marie?
RKLB. Rocket
RKLB.
Lab.
RKLB. IPLK. You're short?
Yeah, I've got 6R.
Nice.
It's really having trouble crossing to that 70 again, but I think that's where it's going now. And you?
I
have two now?
INTC and Rigetti, both of them short. In Rigetti, I have the crappiest price I can ever get, and like, shame on me, but yeah.
Oh, if this trade pulls back to the PCL, this is going to be a kaboom.
A kaboom! Ah, da 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 da. Look at you. We have created a monster! He was a monster before, so it's okay.
Hey! I'm a monster? I'm a friendly monster.
Yeah. They're a good monster too. So.
It's true. It's true. You just need to look at Monster Inc.
I like a lot that movie. Just that it date us a little bit.
Ha! Dates you? Come on. You're just a kid.
When I watched that, I think I was 13 years old.
Pull it down. Pull it down.
Oh no, I wasn't 13 years because 13 years I was when I moved out from there. Oh yeah. It's okay. Let's keep talking about stocks. So have you noticed that the average person out there never know about the existence of the market? Like, I mean, they know that there is a market, but like, what I mean, like, those,
What you mean?
yeah, through history, like all this data that we keep track to measure how we are doing economically talking in the market,
CCC?
like the average bear out there is not aware of that, and we have lived through that, like that, let's say, for thousands of years, you know, like.
I don't know if the average, like, I don't know what qualifies. It's so much on the news. You know
Yeah.
what I mean?
Let's ask ChatGPT, but yeah, like what happens is like there is news and there is financial news. Like right now, in
No,
those,
but that's
in
what I
those
mean.
days,
Just
we get
local news, like local news, like Ottawa news or Gatineau news, or they actually talk about the market and how it's lost or how it's going
But
up.
that's what I mean. Like that is recent. Like even when we say
Okay.
generational, like it's very recent. So
So for me, the news that I've been watching probably for the last 15 years always had that. But I guess not everybody watches the news as well, right? So what do they say?
yeah, what I was saying. Yeah, it's. I asked just for the last 1,000 years, and like the part that support my point here.
Well, last 1,000 years.
Yes,
So the market has been in play for 1,000 years.
there have been always a market. It's just not the stock market. But if you want to know only about the stock market,
Yeah,
what happened is
I'm
that
talking
the
about
stock
the
market
stock
is not the
market.
economy.
I'm talking about the stock market.
Okay.
Be aware, because I believe that market conditions before the stock market, I believe that people knew more because they needed to trade their goods.
Yeah, but like what?
So you know what a
Remember
good
that
price
that
is.
always who do the trade of the overall population is below 5% of the population.
No, but the ones that needed to go to market to trade their goods, whether it's their farm goods, whether it's their stock, whether it's whatever they were making, or the materials they were making, they need to know the good price. That's it's just obviously. This is just my my point of view because I don't know much, but.
Yeah, from
I'm
the
just trying to imagine
from the
that.
16th to the 17th, known or minimal.
Mm-hmm,
From the 18th, low.
mm-hmm,
From the 19th to the 1940, medium,
mm-hmm,
which is around World War II.
mm-hmm.
From 1950 to 1980s, medium to high.
Okay.
From 1999 to the 2000s is having high access learning curve,
Okay.
and from 2010, like right now, to 2020, very high access, uneven depths. So, yeah,
Okay.
So it has been a growing as we were. It was a perception kind of, but like it's yeah. So, but like let's say maybe my like the valoration like if I keep it in the boundaries, I was pretty much talking before 2010. If I take
Okay.
ChatGPT numbers, what I'm saying by that, your parents, my parents,
Yeah.
like they grew up, and this was not a daily subject. This was not a we care about this, because why you have a busy life that doesn't require you to be in, like. Why would you follow SPY? Why would you follow Nasdaq if you have no investments?
Exactly. Makes no sense.
So it makes no sense. And like even up to date, like what happened when you go to the bank and you say I have $1 million and I want to invest it. You don't know what the heck the bank is doing because you
No.
don't keep track of that. You see this the statements and you say okay, it's going
Hey,
down,
I'm doing good or I'm
Or
not
I'm
doing.
but that's it. More than that. But that's what I'm saying. Like I mean, so what like and you say like when I read here when it say that like for the last let's say 350 years probably the last 350 years to 400 to 400 years like the typical information source was rumors, merchant, gossips. So what is it still today? to me that there is a lot of that today. There is so much of that today that it's hard to distinguish between what is really going on and what is being said. Like for example, again, the people in Bloomberg this morning, what were they saying about the shutdown with the government? Hey, actually it's closed. How the heck they gonna put the tariff if nobody's working? So yeah, but what I mean is like, yeah, well, nobody's not working. I know there is a percentage of people working. I know they don't have a choice there, but yeah, it's just a bad joke. So yeah, what I'm saying is like even this morning, what they say is this thing is just noise, and people are concerned. What about the shutdown of things? This is gonna drive the economy to crap, and the market is at all-time high. So I'm pretty sure that with time, whatever we are thinking as human beings is gonna be less and less relevant for what the economy is gonna be doing, because what happened even when you have like a very not contradicting, but let's say volatile administration, which you have right now, what you have the market doing to it? Well, at some point, it doesn't hear anymore. It doesn't like it hear what is being said, like today, for example, but in the long term, it won't like pay as much attention as because you know the game. Like if you try to fool me once, you can fool me twice, you can fool me 3 times. At some point, I'm gonna get good at this, you know.
Like they say, right? Fool me once, shame on me. Fool me twice. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me.
I'm not saying that
Sorry,
like that anybody's trying to fool the market. I'm just saying that anything that the market will experience stay in the memory of the market, and the second reaction is gonna be different from the first one. And like I don't remember this guy. Like yeah, it's the guy from the book that is called the guy is the man that wrote the Discipline Trader. It is impossible to repeat a trade. Impossible. Why? Because you need all the participants to have the same mindset that they previously had.
Correct.
And how easy will be that to be with millions of people participating in something?
All
It's
those
just-
grays and sand.
Yeah. So. Oh my gosh.
Okay, this is nuts.
I know. Did you see my rigetti?
Ha ha! Nicely done. Did you see my RKBL?
Well, last time. Oh my goodness. Last time I looked at it, it was pretty good. Do you play rock and roll?
Okay, could be done. We'll see. What you looking?
Oh no, just looking at my trades.
Holy crap, eh?
Haha.
Okay. What a trade on Rigetti you got going.
Well, now it's pulling back up quite aggressively.
So should you be?
Out? No.
So the market is pushing. My trade too is pushing up as well. The market's pushing up as well.
Hmm. Yeah, I'm not stressed about it. Like my expression there was PayPal. PayPal. I had an order. Like I had not an order. I had a price of interest for PayPal that was quite low. And right now we are trading below there, and it's looking okay. Like,
Okay.
but like, do you want to get a PayPal trade when things are looking like the way it's looking right now? No, I don't think so. I want that to
Well
get that.
said.
Just like, but it's good because if we migrate to be, if the market start looking different later on,
Mm-hmm.
then we can then okay say okay this might be a good long, but like just look at the things I was looking long at, like Amazon. Look at where I got out. This is where I went long. This is where I got out. Look how down we went. Like this is Amazon.
Yeah, well, that's
It's just-
the news, right?
And like the same way than PayPal, it's just at the station where I was looking long before. Now I am
Okay.
expecting it to no hold. And what was the other that I was looking long? Delta.
Delta, yeah.
Yeah, Delta. That flag got lost. Like it's just like it shouldn't be trading by before below 59.40. And
Okay.
you see, he tried to bounce from there, but it was not the best thing. So, like, yeah, it's okay. Marky, you do you, and I do me, and we're gonna be happy. Like, why to not get anything out of Rigetti yet? Well, because he haven't hit the station yet.
Ah, okay.
Rigetti, my station is at 44 at least. Like 46, that's land of nobody there. It shouldn't be holding. And there we go.
Okay, we still have a pull. You are correct. EV still pulling, still pulling.
Oh, I know, I know. Wow.
What?
Oh my god.
What?
No, it's just interesting, this thing.
Oh, did you want to run through your trades?
Okay, so yeah, let's kill it. You see BBAI where it is? What was the price on BBAI? What is the price now?
923?
BBAI is a couple. No, it will still have to pull down a lot for you to get me in. Well, I don't have the order for me to be interested on actually.
Okay. DV.
Now, you, like all the people that were freaking out, they will freak out more because now they have a big loft. So I know that's a very rudimentary way of saying that, but yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna walk
I know
you
you wanna
through
go
my
out. We're finishing.
trades. So I trade a bunch of names today, and like I was not disciplined enough in some of them, but I can tell we are doing very good right now. Very good. So even with the red trades. So Delta Airline here. And today we have to watch out and keep this in mind. Today is a exceptional day. The reason why it's a exceptional day is because of Trump grabbing the microphone and saying whatever he say. The profit that we made today, we cannot expect that every day because it's just not reliable.
Well said.
It's just this is an exception and we are taking advantage of it because that's how the market works. But yeah, in normal days, this is not that doable. So coming back to my trades. So I went long here. And that was a very good price to go long, but it didn't work because of the news. And like always remember, like when you see something selling and it's constantly selling, even if you're going long, you should ask the person that are selling. They may know better than me. So when you are wrong, you step out of their way.
Mm-hmm.
So Delta Airline, that was a red trade. I just give it a shot to that one. NVDA, I never touch it, and look at the Nvidia. Oh my goodness. So
Oof. Wow. Yeah. Right.
so Nvidia right there. Then I didn't trade that. So I say Amazon. No, I say Delta. Amazon. This is it's a okay trade. I have less than a 1 hour lost, but it's just because I took a partial here. But it's still like about 60% of an hour lost on it. So I went long here, partial, all out at break even. Then I reload the position because I believe in that trade, and then I took a 1 hour lost. But it's less than an hour just because here was breaking even and here was the only thing I kept was a partial. But
Oh, nice.
so then we're gonna have INTC. In INTC, I still have that trade. Look what a beautiful short. Okay, we have the dessert as it's supposed to be after the supper. So INTC
I
here,
like that.
this look very shortish for me since I look at it. Shorted right there at 39. I short INTC at 39, at 38.90. Right now it's at 36.74.
Wow.
So golden trade.
Gold for sure.
So that was INTC. Let's take a partial on INTC, because I don't have big sizes on INTC. It's just a regular trade. Like the one I hit harder was Rigetti. So it's okay. I'm gonna take a partial very soon on INTC. So INTC, as I say, I am working on to take the partial, but I'm gonna keep walking through my trades because I still have juice to go. So INTC, let's see, what do I need here? This way. There you are. So INTC, very profitable trade, just working on right there. Okay, I have. Why do I have SPXL? The SPXL, it wasn't me, it was the software, but at the same time, I don't know why it's there. So then I took Rigetti. This was the one I performed the worst, but right now it's doing the best, and we're gonna keep it going because it's gonna go to 43. I think it's gonna go to 43.
You called that level at the beginning, and I'm like, no.
Yeah,
I cannot believe it's going there.
But at the same time, as I say, I have almost $1 off in that trade. And my price, because of lack of patience. Why are you so impatient? Well, because, I am whatever I am. So, short here, add to the short, not taking any partial and adding to the short. That was the mistake that I did there. Then I took a loss. Then I shorted again, didn't took any partial, took a loss. And here, when it wrecked that 49, I said to Marie, this is gonna be my last trade. If he get me out for a Rigetti, I am not taking any more a Rigetti because I proved myself that I wasn't disciplined enough to trade Rigetti today.
Mm-hmm.
So I shorted at 48, and then I see I got 0.01% of the amount of shares I want. I got it there. That's why my actual price is right down here. That's why I say I have the best price was this one, the second best price was this one, but I didn't have enough shares. And then when I add the actual size, then it just went down and this is a good one here. It put me under stress here, but yeah, it's a good trade. For sure it's a good trade. So I just gonna be working the partial in soon on those things. They're gonna push back up and they're gonna make you believe that they're gonna go higher. But the reality, in my opinion, there is more downside. There is a lot of people right now looking for, it's gonna reverse now. It's normally not the case. So what about you, Marie? I know you tried Rigetti as well at the beginning.
I got 2 trades. So my first trade was Rigetti. Excuse me. And I got it, remember, pre-market?
Yeah, the better price than me. Actually, you got it.
48.51. So, and it went there, poof, got me. I took a partial. I took one. I won't go through all the levels, but 1, 2, 3 partials that I took. It was short. Then I added on the pops up, pops up, pops up, pops up. And I took partial when it came back down, pop up, came back down. So this was pretty much between the 47.50 to the 46.75, down to 46.50 that I was taking my partial. And then what I did is I came completely out at 47.50. I'm glad because when I went out at 47.50, this is where it reversed and it went popping up. So it went popping up to 48, but I was 48.50. I was out of the trade, came back into the VWAP and then went to 49. But by then I was out. That trade was, so are you kidding me? Okay, I like that. So that one there was a 7-hour trade.
Nice.
So then I went to RKLBA. I said it well. So when I went in RKLB, I went short. I saw the way that it was reacting at the 73, but I went in late at the trade. So when I went in at when I saw, I said, "Oh my God, this unbalanced. This could pull back to the PCL. This would be fantastic as a trade." So what I did is that I went in at 71.40, not the best price, but what I then did is that as it was popping up, I added to better my price. So I took first partial on the coming down at all the significant level at the bottom of it. So 71.20, then I took another partial at 71, I took another partial at 71.50, but then on the pop,
That's a good trade, Marie.
70.50, but then on the pop I would add. So when it popped up to 71.50, I added there and double added there. Then I took the partial at 70. I again took a double partial at 69. I added 3 times on the pops when it came back in to at the 200 and the 50. So I added there. Then I took my partials going down without adding. So then it was 69.50, 68.80, 68, 67.50, and fun. I got out of the position at 66.40. The way that it was acting at the PCL and the way the MACDs, the RSI was climbing back. I looked at the tape, not a whole lot of people interested at the lower level there. So I got out completely, and this is a 22-hour day.
Very nice.
I am
Very
very
nice.
happy. I'm very happy with my trading today. And Davey, to the point, only shorts today.
Yes.
Which for me, as you know, as my partner in trades, this is very atypical. It's not something I do. So I'm very, very happy with today.
Funny enough, that's something I'm thinking. Like for example, if you see when I came into the trading today, I have loans, but I kind of didn't believe much in them, and my question here, and it's a question maybe for us to leave it on the back of our head and think about that later. It's like, what were we noticing that was enticing shorts? Because I think the selection of we gonna want to go short was subconscious today.
I don't know if it was subconscious. Like if we look, I know that we went a little bit later, but with me looking at the trades previously, when you're looking, I don't know if it was subconscious, because when we're looking at SPY, so SPY is trading very, very high right now. But when you're looking at all the levels in SPY, usually you see the gaps between the 200, the 50, and remember we talked about this week, that when all of the indicators come close together, and it's right there at the PCL. And look, it didn't help the fact that Trump, but when we're looking at this, so now we're looking at the top here and the top, it seems like the RSI is topping there.
Pro trading, Marie.
No, but really, do you think so?
I agree with
Okay,
you. I like when my comment is I agree 100% with
Okay.
you. It's something I didn't look at, to be honest.
Okay.
Today
For me,
I didn't look at that.
yeah,
Like to
I
me,
looked at it.
it was the tape, and it was
Okay.
this pocket that I show you in most of them. Like this pocket volume here, that actually Rigetti is the one that has the best, and that's why I say like, you're gonna go down to 43. So like here, I will show you now. Like this not being significantly bigger than this, but this being quite a weak.
We're almost done.
Like this is the way to put it. The thinner that thing it is, the less heavy you want the guy to be on top. Because if we fall, there is nothing preventing it from falling. And like, yeah, but yeah, so.
I like it.
But yeah, the combination with the tape, with that, and saying like.
And if we're looking at RBL key for me, the reason you say, well, that wasn't on your radar. I was just going through the high volumes, and when I saw the same thing happening here with RBLK, the same thing there, RKLB, God. And it was the same, like the RSI was topping, and the indicators were really, really coming together, and I'm saying, oh, geez, you know what? That could pull to the PCL.
How do you say, geez, Luis?
Geez Louise, that could pull to the PCL. And where I got out of the position, Davey, look at this. It immediately, look, it just bottomed there. And when I saw this going there, and I said, oh, they're flipping, you know, I get out. The same way that it was going short on top. So you are correct. Awareness, but like you, after you looked at it, like you're a better trader than I am. You've got more experience
No, I
than
don't
I am.
think so, but,
So for you, it probably was subconscious. In my case, I'm not there yet. I actually look at the tops and how it was behaved. Now, don't get me wrong. There's no way I was expecting this. Like, come on.
No, me
There's
neither.
no
Me
way.
neither.
I was
No.
thinking maybe to pull back at about the 669, which would have been a couple of dollars. But this, no, I'm no psychic.
Like, yeah, no.
Oh
Like
God, look at RKLB. That was such a good out. Like, I'm so happy.
But like,
Sorry, a little excited for a Friday.
yeah, like, but it's a good thing. That's good. There is nothing wrong with that. Like, I don't know why you say I'm sorry, but like, yeah. Well, I say I'm sorry too when I.
Yeah, you know, when we're a little
Yeah.
excited and, you know, maybe not everybody, because obviously if people were going along and we're looking as well at everything that's happening, you're saying, okay, well, yeah, you're pretty happy, but I'm losing my shirt, right? So.
Yeah, exactly. Like, but yeah, at the same time, it's like, yeah, we have to keep it nimble, you know. But like, but it's cool. Like, I have some flaws because I was going in both directions, but yeah, I'm not concerned about that. I know
No,
what you're
because
saying.
you were really aware too, right, in yours? So.
It's more than that. It's like.
What a reversal.
I have to put like, and we don't have to talk in the channel about this because it's a long talk, but this is basically just a hint in there. It's like, this was expected. Like, no, we didn't know that it was going to happen today. No, we are not that precise. We are not able to know that. But like right now, out of the fear that is put for buyers and all the people that might be losing their tops, like, you have to take advantage of that for you to be an efficient trader. And basically like that low, if we are not gonna be too believing that we are right in this one, but basically you see the low in the SPY here right now. I'm gonna put a line there. In my opinion, SPY is gonna break that low today again.
Okay.
It's just, it needs to breathe before it get there, because so the same way when we are selling off, like buying up like crazy a lot, the same way that buying up forever is not sustainable, selling is not sustainable as well. Like at some point there are people that really buying into value in this, and like they see this is an opportunity for me to buy, and like, yeah. So that's why I'm not concerned about like my P&L. Like went from, like right now it's giving away 50% of what it had, which is still putting me green. But still, like, that's not a concern for me. My target, once he print the low again, I will take half of it, and then I will see if I really want to be out of there. But I have to check my levels.
Okay.
But yeah. Okay. So that's it for today. That's it for this week. And
Good job.
yeah, I hope everybody have a good one. We're gonna be here Monday. Yeah, Monday is Thanksgiving for Canada, and we're gonna have our Thanksgiving too. But at the same time, we can do a little work in the morning.
for all the Canadians out there.
Yay! Have fun.
Enjoy your long weekend.
Thank you, Marie. And I hope. Well, I'm not Canadian, but like I live in Canada, and I enjoy Thanksgiving too. So thank you for your wishes, and
You are Canadian.
yeah, we're gonna get there. So so have a good one, everybody, and have fun. Bye.
Bye.